Okay guys, we're here in the Molo Plaza area. It's a little bit after 8 o'clock on a Saturday night. And I just wanted to give you guys a shot of the beautiful Molo Church. We're kind of almost at the end of our second week here in Iloilo City. And we've just been enjoying our time here, living in the Molo district because of scenes like this, you know. The plaza's lit up and we're actually going into the Molo Mansion tonight. It's open till 10 p.m. So we decided that tonight would be a perfect night to come check it out. So here it is, beautifully lit. Hoping we can get inside. Looks like the doors are not open. Maybe it's not open. We were able to get inside the gate. So standing here in the front, and I'm going to zoom out just so you guys get a good view here. Here it is, one of the landmarks here. There's some food stalls over here to the left. Can we go inside, huh?
No, I don't think so.
So maybe their Facebook information is not updated. So here's a side view of the mansion. I know.
That's it, love.
Yeah, so just gonna go over here real quick on. So again, just focusing on my banyan tree special. Here is a banyan tree lit up with some vertical lights, vertical blinking lights. Very cool. Very awesome. Yeah, so, you know, Facebook is not always accurate. It said they were open till 10, but it is the weekend, so they might have closed early. We'll probably have to come back tomorrow to actually get inside. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the food stands here on the side here. You get a lot of people coming in, checking out the mansion and getting a snack before, during, or after their visit. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so it's not open tonight, sadly. We're probably going to divert into a snack here. Had a late lunch today, so feeling like we need to get something. But I'm going to show you guys the mansion here at nighttime. It's still very cool, and no, I don't know a lot of history about this mansion. We are going to try to come back tomorrow because we're leaving Iloilo City on Monday morning. So this will be one of the last things that we check out. So giving you guys the nighttime view because we'll be back here tomorrow during the daytime. But still pretty cool. You know, again, I love this Molo area. It's been very pleasant. So we'll check it out again tomorrow, guys, and hopefully it'll be open. Until then, have a great night. Okay, so we just had a snack, late night snack here at Jollibee, and we decided to take a tricycle back. We're still here in Molo, trying to help out our driver here with a little bit of service. Instead of us taking a long walk back, no, it's not even that long. It's probably a quarter of a mile. But this, I'll probably tie in this video into the transportation segments of some of my other videos. And there's a single rider behind us. There's some carinderias to my right. We're getting ready to cross the bridge here. To my left is the medical city, Iloilo, local hospital here in Molo. Beautifully lit up. Traffic's pretty light here at night. So we're getting ready to pull in to our condo. Okay. So I'm going to show the motorcycle. Salamat kuya. Magandang gabi. Ano? Thank you. Okay, so we're back here at the Molo Mansion after last night's debacle in terms of it being closed. So we're going to head straight in. Going to see what the admission fee is. Shouldn't be too mahal. It's going to be nice to get some shade, get some aircon. Ooh, some nice gifts here. Ooh, there's a sale. Yeah. So we haven't greeted anyone yet, but maybe we can check after him. Hi, good afternoon, ma'am. I know entrance fee. Oh. Salamat. Can we go upstairs also? Oh. Uh-oh.
Or if it's
Salamat.
it's not less than 3% off.
Yeah. So the ceilings here are very high. Between 12 and 15 feet here. Lots of gifts. So the upstairs is closed. It's only for special events, but we are able to check out the first floor. And I want to give you guys a close-up of the ornate woodwork here. It's a very beautiful mansion. Here in Molo, and I'll talk a little bit about the history. I forgot to do my research before coming here, but yeah, really nice. There's a gift shop here, so there's a little display. The facade of this elegant home is characterized by graceful arches and iron grills. High ceilings and hardwood flooring lend an air of quiet grandeur, while decorative carvings adorn its spacious interiors. Completed in 1926 and recently restored, the Molo Mansion is a true architectural gem and striking example of our uniquely Filipino heritage. Very well said. So I thought this mansion was older than 1926, but still really cool, especially with the aircon. So now we're in the back section, and I've shown a few mansions here. I'm sure some of the interiors. I just want to give you guys an example outside now that we're here. So the grounds are beautifully landscaped. Beautiful tree there. And we're right across the street from the Molo Church and the Molo Plaza. These iron gates are very typical of Filipino homes, both here and these larger estate homes, as well as small homes that you'd see in the barangay. It's very common here for security. So I've enjoyed the Molo district so much. I'm definitely going to buy a t-shirt or two. So I'm just going to show you guys again. This is the view of the back. Some palm trees. Looks, 5-6 foot high gate that goes all the way around. Staff parking in the back. Beautiful indoor plant here. Ooh. Hi, Mom. Morning. Some beautiful gifts here. Again, I'm definitely going to buy some t-shirt or two. So I wanted to give you guys, so that's the banyan tree that we saw last night that was illuminated with vertical lights. Very cool to see again. So pretty breezy here. Here's a view of the main foyer here. Yeah, I wish we could get upstairs, but it's for special events only. I want to show you some of the traditional dress here. This is some of the traditional dress, what you would find at a wedding or, you know, sort of a special event here. The morong shirt on the right and a traditional Filipino dress on the left with native pearls. The fabrics are very light to keep the person cool, if you will. A lot of airflow in terms of the fabrics. So yeah, this is it, guys. Just very excited that we were able to get inside and show you guys this beautiful mansion here in Molo. The chandelier. Well, that's it for now, guys. I'm gonna end it here so I can do some gift shopping. Magandang hapon. Okay, guys, so still here at the Molo Mansion, and I know some of my viewers have gardens. They love plants, so I just wanted to give you guys a look here of the garden here at Molo. Some of the plants that they have here. And just give me a second. I'm going to make sure that my front screen is clear. So here's some coniferous plants that I haven't seen very much of here. It's a little hut here. Some cactus over there to my right. I hear some birds, and I've tried using my Cornell ornithology app here, but only 20% of species are cataloged in the Cornell app, so I haven't been able to pick up anything yet. So I've tried a couple times. Okay, guys, well, looks like our Grab taxi's here, so just going to show you real quick here some of the plants here at the Plantopia. Huh? Oh. I deviated a little bit. It said stay on the pathways, but okay, guys, that wraps it up here from Molo, and gonna jump into a taxi here in a few minutes, so give you one last shot of the plaza and the church. Beautiful hot Sunday here in Molo. Hopefully you guys are picking up on the birds that I'm hearing. So right across the street from the Molo Church. Pretty mellow Sunday afternoon here. Okay, catch you guys later.
Weird.
Yep.